But anyway, I want to say this thing. I think one of either Stoneboy or Sarkodie, his dancers and the people that were performing, I think I can do better than them. Yeah, I saw them doing backflip, and see their performance, see the energy. But anyway, I want to say this thing. I think one of either Stoneboy or Sarkodie, his dancers and the people that were performing, I think I can do better than them. Yeah, I saw them doing backflip. I stood there, I was laughing. I said, you people, you don't have an idea. You don't have an idea of what I can do. Me, I can backflip like 100 times in the air and then land on the ground. Don't think about my way to Charlie. Me, I can surprise. Hi guys, it's good to see you once again. Hey, hold on. I guess you guys are really admiring my t-shirt. Yeah, Africa in my DNA. Anyway, let me know if you want a copy. I'll get one for you. Okay, just DM me or send me an email or on my Instagram. Okay, so I know you guys have heard a whole lot about Usher in Ghana Global Citizen Festival. People are talking here and there.
Big shouts to Global Citizen. We have Sock Nation in the building tonight. Sock Nation, you're welcome to Sock Nation.
Others are talking why Nigerians were not on the build, but they showed up on stage. A whole lot of issues, and people are saying this shows that Ghanaians, we have the men that are capable of holding such an event. Others too are arguing that, oh, because we have foreign nationals coming in, there has been a whole lot of things about this. But on this channel, I always love to share with you what is happening here in Ghana. That is why on my channel I do Ghana to the world. Let me take you guys straight to what Usher did. So before the event, they trooped in earlier than, I think, some weeks before, some days before, starting the whole show, setting up the stage. I don't know, I heard a rumor that the stage was even shipped from Portugal. I don't know how true is it. I don't have facts about it. So that's why I said it was a rumor. But he went to places. But one thing that I want to share with you guys is that Usher was in my community. Yes, I'm a proud Chocomania. If you don't know about Choco, if you've not heard about Choco, I've done a video. I'll share the link in the description so that you get to watch and get to know what Choco is. And that is where I'm coming from. That's why I was born and bred there. I've lived there so many years. But the funny thing is that when I tell people that I'm coming from Choco, they doubt, and I still can't understand. So let's move back to the story. So Usher was in Choco, and there is an NGO in Chorkor Basic International. So Usher visited the place, toured the whole place, and also toured Choco. And this is what they posted on their Facebook. Yes, this happened. Like, people were doubting whether Usher came to Choco and all that. So they posted on their Facebook, and this is what she said. Yes, it happened. Usher spent time in Choco, learning about the community, the people, the problems, the culture, the beauty and the myth of Choco. Yes, I told you people have a whole lot of myths about Choco. He connected, and we are grateful and await his return because he will be back. Thank you. Yes, so Choco, if you don't know, I have a channel, another channel that I promote Choco and people coming from Choco, and I'll put the link there. It is called Choco Youth TV. I'll put the link in the description. You can check that channel, and maybe you can also try your best to learn Ga, because Choco is part of the Ga community, and I'm in Ga. This is the good news I have for you from my community, and I'm so happy. I'm so glad something happened.
So that you know that your hard work is not in vain. We are appreciative of you, and you will be receiving tickets to go to the Global Citizen Festival. And can we hear something for our teachers, please?
So now let's move back to the main event itself. So, a lot of things happened that you guys didn't see on screen. You saw the performance, people are posting their pictures. But luckily for us, we were also privileged enough to be part of the staff, also to help do some stuff. One thing I love about this event itself is that it has really helped a lot. It has, like, we've tapped into knowledge. We've been able to learn so much from this event. I love the fact that They employed a lot of Ghanaians. Charlie, I was there. I saw a lot of people. I saw photographers. I saw videographers. I saw like all the entertainment industry, like people, the players that are, a lot of people came, big guys, the common floor member, the middle class people, everybody. Majority of Ghanaians were employed. And I was so happy because looking at the amount of money that they invested in this event, and Ghanaians were being paid to do a good job. Do you have an idea amount of money that has come to Ghanaians' pockets and how it has boosted the economy, like affected the economy in a positive way? People were doubting, but you see, the problem I have right now is that if event organizers in Ghana are going to be sincere and truthful to pay creative what they deserve, I'm sure we can meet up to that standard and be able to do more than that, because what they did, majority of the people on the grounds were Ghanaians. So that is the issue that I have. Let's go back to the stage and then see what happened, and then the VIP section, how things were organized, security was tight, Charlie, everything was like in order, and it's really amazing. And come to think about it, even this was a free show. So I was asking myself, what if this is a paid show that people have to pay before they attend? They shared free water, like Charlie. It was dope. I went to the VIP section. I was working, but I was moving here and there. I saw some of the YouTubers also came there. I saw the Maya and Miss Trudy. Oh, Charlie, congratulations to my brother Maya. I just want to say congratulations to my brother Maya for taking this bold step. It's not everybody who can do this thing. You see the thing. Yeah. So, congratulations and welcome to the table of men. I wish you all the best. Congratulations to you and Miss Trudy. One thing that I was so much impressed, the dancers that you see. Who dance with Usher were all Ghanaians. And see their performance, see the energy. But anyway, I want to say this thing. I think one of either Stoneboy or Sarkodie, his dancers and the people that were performing, I think I can do better than them. Yeah, I saw them doing backflip. I stood there, I was laughing. I said, "You people, you don't have idea. You don't have an idea of what I can do. Me, I can backflip like 100 times in the air and then land on the ground. Don't think about my way to Let's go. Me, I can surprise." So this is what I wanted to share with you guys and what really happened in Ghana, because on this channel I tell stories about Ghana, what is happening here in Ghana, and people moving to Ghana to share their experience and all that, which I call it Ghana to the world. So it was such an amazing, great event. There's a lot of things happened there with like a whole lot of things, and it was really huge. For the first time I have witnessed one of the major world-class high standard events held in Ghana, and I'm so proud because it has really put Ghana on the map. It has really saw Ghana, and a lot I know a lot will follow from these things. A lot of people have issues here and there, but Charlie, hey, I always talk about the positive side of it. And please, I was really surprised that Nigerians were not part of the bill. Like, Nigerian artists were not part of the bill. By the end of the day, we saw a surprise show up. Tiwa Savage and the other two guys. Let me say this. Let's not forget, Nigerians, they don't carry lasso. They didn't come to joke. And let's not forget that some of them have connections. They are under record labels that are very powerful, that can be able to connect and link their artists to perform with Usher, because their performance was part of Usher's performance. So, but here in Ghana, when it comes, Charlie, the beef and a whole lot of Charlie. Let's also push our people. Let's do well. Let's do well so that we can also push our people. And I hope you guys really enjoy. I'll come back with more information and more videos on this particular event, and I hope you guys will enjoy. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next episode. My name is Nia, aka Ganyomi, the guy who tells stories from Ghana. Hola, Bawo. Peace out.
Let's go! Are you okay? Yeah, I am. Oh, it's great.